So I will tell you, in dealing with luxury property specifically, privacy concerns are a big deal. And so you want to make sure that when you're working with a professional, that professional is not just marketing your house properly, but vetting the people that are coming through your house properly. So today I had this experience and found out that a local agent who was younger and newer in the marketplace was bringing a buyer into a $1.25 million house. Mind you, their proof of funds, which was required by the seller, was put together in a way, as we vetted this particular proof of funds, we couldn't get a hold of the lender. So my agent met that agent out at this property, and thankfully we did. There were some things that were a little interesting, and we came to find out that that proof of funds letter was completely bogus. You know, I love that my agents are diligent, and we just couldn't get a hold of somebody quick enough. But this newer agent didn't even think to do that. And so what does that mean for you as the seller? You really want to work with tried and true professionals who are going to ask questions of those people that want access to your home.